Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the prompter feature in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you should see at the top of the screen that prompter option. Click on it. And now you can see that there is this text on the screen, and if you want to make a video but you cannot remember all your sentences, then here the CapCut will show you the text, but obviously it will not appear in the video. And you can see that you can move the text on the screen with that arrows option. There is the edit option. Here you can type in the text that you would like to say in the video. You can see that the maximum is 5,000 characters. And after that there is the edit option, which refers to the speed. Here you can see that do you want to have a slow speed or a fast one, the font size as well, and the colors to highlight where you are at. So yes, and you can see that there is that recording button, so you just have to hold it. And now, hi, I'm CapCut teleprompter and I can help you, so on. So you just have to click on that check mark option when you are Hi, done. I'm CapCut teleprompter and I can help you, so on. So you just have to click. Now you can see that it works. The text, it didn't appear on the video, so it's really helpful, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.